ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय पाण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज 287. पूर्व पक्षी said ज्ञानेन अज्ञान निवृत्ति is only अर्थवाद. Then Siddhanti said सर्व शाखोपनिषदाम अर्थवादत्व प्रसंगात. All shakhas, all Upanishads will become Arthavada. Purvapakshi said how? Siddhanti said because Upanishads have only one prayojanam, Brahma Jnanena Ajnan Nivritti. If that itself you say Arthavada, that means the Mukhya Tatparya of Upanishad will become Arthavadas. Therefore, everything is Arthavada there. एतावन मात्रार्थत्व उपक्षीणा ही सर्व शाखोपनिषदः. उपक्षीणाः means charitartha. This is a beautiful word, charitartha or upakshina. Charitartha means charito artho yasya. Here yasam upanishadam taha upanishadaha charitarthaha. All Upanishad, they become charita artha. We have to see from Tika, second paragraph, third line. Become alert. Question is coming now. Ahandi gamye pratichi तासां प्रवृत्तेः संवाद विसंवादाभ्यां मानत्वा योगाद् अस्त्येव अर्थवादता इति प्रसंगस्येष्टत्वं शंकते. Arthavadas. How many types of Arthavadas are there? 3 types. What is the shloka? I told you, become alert. What is the shloka for Arthavada?
Gunavada, Anuvada, Bhutarthavada.
At least you remember the names. विरोधे गुणवादस्यादनुवादो वधारिते. Everybody repeat after me. विरोधे गुणवादस्य अनुवादो वधारिते. धानात् अर्थवादस्त्रिधा मतः. Now I am assuming you remember this shloka. We have seen this in Artha Sangraha. Before that, at least 5 times we have seen in Brihadaranyaka also this topic has come. So Purvapakshi said Arthavada. So now what are the possibilities for Arthavada that you have to tell? And in Arthavada, there is Samvada and Visamvada. If there is Samvada, Samvada means संवाद, दिस लाइन इज देयर, अहंदिगम्ये प्रतीचि तासाम प्रवृत्तेः संवाद विसंवादाभ्याम. What is the purpose of the word samvada here? Samvada means अन्य प्रमाणेन सम्यक वादः इति संवादः. Other pramana is saying the same thing what you are saying. अन्य प्रमाणेन सम्यक वादः इति संवादः. What will that become? Which arthavada will that be? Anuvada. Because what is already known through other pramana, this pramana is also saying. So it is only anuvada. It is anuvada, arthavada in this way. And visamvada. Visamvada is viruddha samvada. Viruddha means what is otherwise known through other pramana. This pramana, this arthavada vakya doesn't say that. So then what will that be, arthavada? What is the shloka? What? Virodhe gunavada syat. If there is virodha, it is gunavada. And if it is, so visamvada means gunavada. Samvada means anuvada. That shloka, if you know, then this pankti you will immediately know. So at least you write down. Samvada means anuvada. Visamvada means gunavada. What is the drashtanta? Let me ask now, since this topic is there. What is the drashtanta for gunavada? Adityo yupaha. Adityo yupaha. Is Aditya yupa according to Pratyaksha Pramana? No. And Shastra says Aditya yupaha. Therefore Virodha is there. So Virodhe, that Vakya will become Gunavada. Okay? Everybody is getting this?
Yes.
इसको थोड़ा ठीक से पकड़ के रखो. विरोधे गुणवादस्यात्. For anuvada, what is the drishtanta? Agnirhimasya bheshajam. Agnirhimasya bheshajam is known through Pratyaksha Pramana. And Shastra also says it is Arthavada Vakya, it is Anuvada only. Okay. So now third one is Bhutarthavada. Bhutarthavada, what is the drishtanta?
Vajrahastha Purandaraha.
Vajrahastha Purandaraha. Okay. Why it is called Bhutarthavada? Bhutarthavada.
There is no contradiction.
There is no contradiction. Bhutarthavadas tadhanat. Tadhanat. What is the meaning of tat? Tat hanat will become tadhanat. What is tat? Tat means tayoho. Gunavada anuvada yoho hanat. So this will slow down our Brahadaranyaka if I have to tell all these preliminary things. Tayoho hanat. Drishtanta is Vajrahastha Purandaraha. Now you see this line. Ahandi gamye pratichi. Pratichi means Atmani, Atma Vishaye. And it is Ahandi gamya. Ahandi gamya means Asmat pratyaya gocharatvacha. In Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya, this is the Shabda. Not that it becomes Vishaya. Atma doesn't become Vishaya, but Atma is Lakshita through Aham Pratyaya. That's why it is called Ekatma Pratyaya Saram. Ahandigamye pratichi tasam pravrittehe तासाम उपनिषदाम प्रवृत्तेः संवाद विसंवादाभ्याम मानत्व अयोगात्. There where there is no samvada means it is not anuvada, and there is no visamvada means it is not gunavada. The manatva ayogat. So then what has to be there? Bhutarthavada. So this arthavada will become bhutarthavada. Means you cannot refute it, because it is not known through any other pramana supported, it is not known through other pramana refuted. अस्ति एव अर्थवादता इति प्रसंगस्य इष्टत्वं शंकते. इन भाष्य प्रत्यक्ष प्रमित आत्म विषयत्वात् अस्ति एव अर्थवादता इति चेत न. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमित आत्म विषयत्वात्, see its vivaranam is given in टीका. प्रमातुः अहन्धिगम्यता न आत्मनः तत्साक्षिणस्तस्य वेदान्ता ब्रह्मत्वं बोधयन्ति इति न संवादादि शंका इत्याह. This entire 1410 bhashya, 147, all these are Siddhanta bhashyas. Means what is Advaita Vedanta? If I want to understand, I have to know these principles. What is Advaita Vedanta's basis? Just like how Advaita Prakaranam in Mandukya is also entire thing Siddhanta. Gaudapadacharya is. Pramatuhu ahandhigamyata na atmanaha tat sakshinas. Pramatas ahandhigamyata na sakshinaha. In this way you have to read. Na atmanaha tat sakshinaha. 11 number tippani also you note. Tat sakshina means pramatra sakshinaha na. So ahandhigamyatva, in Siddhanta when we say ahandhigamyatva, what we understand is it is asmat pratyaya gochara, atma. But if I say it becomes vishaya, then here it is given what becomes vishaya is only pramata. That's why I said atma is only lakshita. It is not vachyartha. It is lakshyartha only. Vachyartha is pramata. Pramatuhu ahandhigamyata na atmanaha tat sakshinaha. तस्य वेदांता ब्रह्मत्वं बोधयन्ति. तस्य कस्य? साक्षिणः. तस्य साक्षिणः वेदांताः ब्रह्मत्वं बोधयन्ति. Vedanta talks about Brahmatva of Sakshi. Here Sakshi means you should understand Atma in this way. Means here don't take Sakshi as Avidya Upahita Chaitanya Sakshi. Sakshinah tasya Vedantaha Brahmatvam Bodhayanti iti na samvadadi shanka. So therefore there is no gunavada, there is no anuvada. Means it is yathartha vachanam. In this way you should take. But it is not arthavada as in something which is not there, etc. Here it is Bhutarthvada, means it is a fact. Just like Vajrahasta Purandara is a Pramana Vakya, you take that as Pramana. In Bhashya. So what are the steps you should understand? Some of this we have already seen. This Sakshi is Sakshi of Pramata. Correct? This Sakshi's Brahmatva Bodha is done. Sakshi, we discussed this earlier. I am Sakshi, I know what is happening in my Antakarana. But I don't know what is happening in somebody's Antakarana. So how will I understand I am Sakshi of all Antakarana, that Brahma I am? What is the Samadhanam? So this Sakshi has Tadatmya only with one Antakarana of that Pramata. So that Adhyasa is here. And that's why I think I am knower only of one. And this is why Sakshi has the feeling in Sakshi. Really speaking, Sakshi's Jnanam should not be Vishishta Jnana. It should be without any Vishesha. But in this case, Sakshi has as if Vishishta Jnana. I am Sakshi of my Sukha Dukkha. Right? So if Sukhakar Vritti is there, Sakshi will know that Sukhakar Vritti has come. Pramata will not know. Sakshi will know. Similarly, Dukkhakar Vritti has come, Sakshi knows. So Sakshi has this Vishishta Jnana. This Sakshi is essentially Brahma. That is this Tasya Vedantaha Brahmatvam Bodhayati. So that Sakshi also, if I understand as having Vishishta Jnanam, that Vishishta Jnanam also I have to do Bhada. That is also only because of Adhyasa. Then what is remaining as Sakshi is Brahma. Because it is only Jnana Matra. Brahma is not Vishishta Jnanavan or Vishishta Jnana Swarupa. It is Nirvishesha. So, and that's why when people, they say, I am going to do Sakshi Bhava and I am just going to witness. And they do Prakriya, they lie down, they watch everything. I am Sakshi, etc. Ajnana Nivritti will not happen only through that. Because there also Ajnanam is sitting. Unless I know that this Sakshi is also having Vishishta Jnanam and I am Nirvishesha Brahma. And therefore that Tadatmya also through Vichara, through Jnanam I have to cut. It is a na ukta pariharatvat. This parihara was already said earlier on page number 272. So Tippanikar has done all the homework, number one. In that, remember, Tippanikar's page number in his book would have been different. That also means a lot of work goes on for this final book that comes in front of us. Because in Tippanikar's book, there is no Hindi translation and all these. So their page numbers are different. And their printing style and everything was different. So then we have to look where it was given, that page number, and then we put, we means whoever does. They all acharyas, they work. And every time, and then if you see these Vartiks which are given, Vartika, Taduktam, like in second number Tippani, the Vartika proofreading also has to happen. Because where will you see this Vartika? You have to see Vartikas. And on Vartika, this is Anand Giriji's Tika. You see, Agnirna Dahako Jalam, Na Shitalam, Ityadi Prayoge. That is Anand Giriji's Tika on Vartik. So if there is any misprint or incorrect thing, you will have to check there. So much happens. Proofreading is not just ठीक है ना, क्या है उसमें? It is not like that. And then all this is read in class. So if some error is there, then at least the person who has done proofreading, that person knows, oh, this portion had come to me and I missed this. Whether others know or not. Okay. So this was already answered. Now, another point, since we are on this topic, Bhamati Prasthana and Vivarana Prasthana. Most of you have heard this, but repetition is good. According to Bhamati Prasthana, Jnanam is Paroksha Jnanam and then Aparoksha Jnanam, or directly Aparoksha Jnanam.
Paroksha and then Aparoksha.
First, according to Bhamati Prasthana, Paroksha Jnanam first, then Aparoksha Jnanam. Paroksha Jnanam is through Vedanta Shravanam. Aparoksha Jnanam is through
Nididhyasana.
Nididhyasanam. This is how they say. And in Vivarana Prasthana, Vakya will produce Aparoksha Jnana.
Paroksha Jnana.
Brahma is Sakshad Aparoksha. Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. This is our Vakya to justify that Jnanam will be Aparoksha, because Vishaya is Aparoksha. If Vishaya is Paroksha, Dharma, then Jnanam also will be Paroksha. If Vishaya is Bahirdeshe, Pratyaksha, Jnanam will be called Pratyaksha, or you call that also as Aparoksha. Atma is Aparoksha, therefore Jnanam will be Aparoksha. Then if you say if Shravana Matra gives you Aparoksha Jnanam, then what is the prayojan of Mananam Nididhyasanam? And if that is the case, then you should see people having this knowledge. So the answer was given. Samshay Viparya Sahit Jnana is there through Shravana.
Shravanam.
In most cases, some people may get Samshay Viparya Rahit, but Viparya is the biggest. Samshayas are also there. But Viparya is, after hearing so many times, I am Brahma, Brahmatva Buddhi doesn't come. So, that Viparita Bhavanaya Aikagriyatsa Nivartate Tattva Prabodhad Prageva Bhavatyetad Upasanat. Upasana will bring Ekagrata. So Upasana is helpful. If I have done lot of other things earlier, a sadhana, it will add up in Viparita Bhavana Nivritti later. If I have not done, then I will have to do longer Nididhyasana. Means Dirghakala Shravanam I will have to do. For some people, that is not required in this way. So this is another Bheda between Bhamati and Vivarana. So Shravanam is Mukhya Sadhanam according to Vivarana. Manan Nididhyasanam, they are called Anga. Shravanam is Angi. And see further. In Bhashya. अविद्या शोक मोह भयादि दोष निवृत्तेः प्रत्यक्षत्वात् इति च उक्तः परिहारः. What is ukta parihara? That avidya, shoka, moha, bhaya, all these dosha nivritti should be seen. This is pratyaksha. Dosha nivritti is pratyaksha. In that jnani, avidya nivritti is there, then for avidya karya, shoka, moha, bhaya, they are not there. That's why those quotations are given. तत्र को मोह कशोकः भिद्यते हृदय ग्रंथि छिद्यन्ते सर्वशं etc. So this is vidvad anubhava siddha. टीका आत्मज्ञानस्य तद अज्ञान निवर्तकत्वे स्थिते परमतस्य निरवकाशत्वं फलति इत्याह. Vopakshi said Atmajnanam will not remove Ajnanam. Siddhanti says Atmajnanam will remove. We have discussed this. Atmajnanasya tad ajnana nivartakatve sthite paramatasya niravakashatvam. Paramata saying that, oh, it is just some gunavada, etc., so that you feel good. It is not like that. Paramata does not have any avakasha. Niravakashatvam phalati ityaha. Tasmad adyo antyah. Now the discussion was adya pratyaya will remove ajnanam or antya pratyaya or santati or no santati, etc. See the answer, Bhashyakar's signature answer. Tasmad adyo antyah santato asantatascha iti achodyam etat. Whether it is first or last, whether it is with santati, without santati, none of this stands any ground. Chodya anavakasha. Na chodya means, achodya means, it doesn't have any avakasha, means there is no room for this discussion. But you have not given answer. I am giving chodyasya anavakashatvam eva vishadayati. That chodyasya anavakashatvam, he does its vishesha vyakhyanam, vishadayati. What is the dhatu? Shadri dhatu is there.
Shatani.
Ach pratyay is there.
Ach pratyay is there. Shadru dhatuni.
Hetumati cha. Kartika is tatkaroti tadachaste. Correct. विशदयति भाष्य अविद्यादि दोष निवृत्ति फलवसानत्वात् विद्यायाः. अविद्यादि दोष निवृत्ति फल अवसानत्वात् विद्यायाः. Vidya is what? Avidyadi dosha nivritti phala avasanika. If you want to say Vidya or Jnanam, let us say. How will you do samasa vigraha? Avidyadi dosha nivrittihi phalam yasya jnanasya. Tad jnanam avidyadi dosha nivritti phalakam. Phalavasanatvam means tasmin eva asya avasanam. Vidyayaha asyaha vidyayaha tasmin avasanam. Vidya will culminate only in that. Vidya has only one purpose. Next vakya you underline. So, what is going to remove ajnanam? If this is the question. Ya eva avidyadi dosha nivritti phalakrit pratyaya adyo antyaha santato asantato va sa eva vidya. What is Brahma Vidya? Is it that pratyaya which is going to remove your avidya? That is called vidya. whether it is first, last, santati, asantati, doesn't matter. That pratyaya which will remove avidya is called vidya. Everything else is gauna artha. Means like we say Upanishad shabdena Brahma Vidya. So Brahma Vidya means mukhya artha is this. That which will remove avidya is called vidya. Otherwise you are carrying books. यह एव अविद्यादि दोष निवृत्ति फलकृत प्रत्ययः. अविद्यादि दोष निवृत्ति ही फलम करोति इति अविद्यादि दोष निवृत्ति फलकृत स एव प्रत्ययः. कर्मधारय बिटवीन दोस टू. Whether it is adya pratyaya, antya pratyaya, santata, asantata, whatever it is. Sa eva vidya iti abhyupagamat. This is the thing which we accept. Na chodyasya avatara gandho api asti. Therefore, chodya means this ashanka, objection that was raised. Asya avatara gandho api na asti. There is no scope for even smell. Now, what this means, you have to see it is in context. You know, this is a beautiful topic. Ajnana nivritti will happen through that vidya, right? Which is what is called, that is the last thing. But then it is like somebody says, 10th roti fills my stomach. My hunger is gone by 10th roti. So then what should I do? First eat 10th roti only. Why eat first 9? So that doesn't happen. Right? So everything else will help you in reaching that final one. Like when you go to buy something, right? You add one, then finally the balance they are doing. So then slight thing you add and suddenly balance is there. You say, oh, this only this you should have put first, then balance would have come. It doesn't work. Everything you have to do, then this will come. So this avidya nivritti pratyaya will happen, or avidya nivritti phalaka pratyaya, it will come only when everything else becomes ready. So our all sadhanas will be counted in everything. Otherwise, in Tattva Bodha itself, somebody says, I understood what they are saying. Yes, but the same raga, dvesha, shoka, moha, bhaya, and it's not that only on some nimitta sometimes they are seen all the time. Bhaya is there all the time. So that means nothing has happened. See Tika now. ज्ञान संततेर अंत्य ज्ञानस्य वा अज्ञान ध्वंसित्व असिद्धेर आद्यमेव ज्ञानम तथा इति उक्तम संप्रति परोक्तम अनुवदति. ज्ञान संततेः अंत्य ज्ञानस्य वा. ज्ञान संतति means संतानम means that continuous सजातीय वृत्ति प्रवाह you do, और अंत्य ज्ञानम लास्ट ज्ञानम ज्ञान वृत्ति ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति वा अज्ञान ध्वंसित्व असिद्धेः. By that ज्ञानस्य अज्ञान ध्वंसित्व असिद्धेः आद्यमेव ज्ञानम तथा इति उक्तम. When somebody says, if the last jnanam is going to remove ajnanam, this was discussed earlier, then the first one can also do. Iti तथा इति उक्तम संप्रति परोक्तम अनुवदति। यत्तु उक्तम विपरीत प्रत्यय तत्कार्ययोश्च दर्शनात् इति। How it was said that if first one had done it, then viparita pratyaya should not have been seen. But he said, I am hungry, I have to eat, etc. And antya pratyaya, if it could do the job, first pratyaya also could have done the same. This was the discussion. So here says, viparita pratyaya tat karya is seen in this person. Darshanat adyam jnanam ajnana dhvansi. Darshanat na adyam jnanam ajnana dhvansi. Therefore, first jnanam is not destroying ajnanam. Iti sheshaha. This is what Purvapakshi had said. Siddhanti says, such thing also you cannot say. Why? See Bhashya first, then we will do Vichara. Prarabdha tika. Prarabdha karma sheshasya vidvat deha sthiti hetutvat vidushopi yavad arabdha kshayam ragadi abhasa avirodhat tat kshaye cha deha abhasa jagad abhasayoho abhavat न आद्य ज्ञानस्य अज्ञान निवर्तकत्व अनुपपत्तिः इति उत्तरम आह. आद्य ज्ञानम also can remove ajnanam, but samshayas are there, viparyas could be there, or how it is put here, prarabdha karma shesasya, when prarabdha karma is still remaining, vidvat deha sthiti hetutvat. What is the prayojan of prarabdha karma? Vidvat deha sthiti hetu. For a jnani, the body is sustained on what basis? Prarabdha karma. So prarabdha karma is hetu for this. Prarabdha karma is nimitta. And prarabdha karma's role is to give sukha dukha, etc. If sukha dukha doesn't come, prarabdha is not working. So therefore, vidusho api, even for a jnani, yavad arabdha kshayam, until prarabdha kshaya takes place, ragadi abhasa avirodhat. In that jnani also you will see some ragadi. But at that time jnani will know naiva kinchit karomiti. This is the bheda, not after effect. Everything has happened and then at the end jnani will say, oh, but I was sakshi yesterday. Ragadi abhasa avirodhat. Tat kshayecha, when the abhasa goes away, then when the prarabdha kshaya means arabdha kshaya, prarabdha kshayecha, deha abhasa jagad abhasa yoho abhavat. Neither there is aham nor there is idam. Deha abhasa jagad abhasa, both are not there. And therefore, na adya jnanasya ajnana nivartakatva anupapattihi. Means adya jnanasya ajnana nivartakatva upapattihi. First jnanam also is removing ajnanam. But first jnanam means you should understand. When you study first text, doesn't mean you get that jnanam. Because what is vachyartha, lakshyartha, that pada jnanam and proper lakshyartha is understood, then at least that person has understood I am Brahma. But now prarabdha is there. So if prarabdha is very prabala, it will not let that person sit down only. Sit down means that manasik ashanti and vikshepa will be too much. That's why we studied in this, right? That he should take vidvat sannyasa. Then karma will be less. Then he can focus on more shravanam, and that way mind will not be exposed to too many things which will create viparita pratyaya. The more you expose your mind to such things, Viparita pratyas will keep coming. Prarabdha based pratyas are coming anyway, right? And if I myself create some more karmas, then such things will keep happening. इति उत्तरमाह न तत् शेष स्थिति हेतुत्वात्. This is shesha sthiti. It is to maintain your continued existence. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Ekshavadraya Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.